Hello everyone, my name is Pranav Bhosle and this is the demo of MindFulU, a platform that we have especially for the SIH Problem Statement 25092. And I want to start with a question. How many of us have felt overwhelmed or stressed or anxious during challenging times? Now imagine if we had access to an AI powered mental wellness tool that at that moment where we could learn coping strategies or track our emotions and even exemplify our own progress all through engaging and interactive experiences. That is exactly what Mindful You delivers. Today I am going to show you something revolutionary. Mindful You is not just another mental health app. It is a comprehensive ecosystem that combines AI technology with proven therapeutic approaches to create personalized mental wellness. What makes Mindful You special is that it's specifically designed for Indian youth with cultural context, age appropriate examples, and evidence based assessments that actually work in our own context. Let me show you how this exactly works. So, this is our main landing page that we have built. As we can see, a very calming theme. And through this, we can go to the dashboard. First, we'll be reviewing the student dashboard. Before we dive into the features, let me give you a quick overview of what we've built. Mindful U is actually four interconnected applications working together as a seamless ecosystem. First is our assessment engine. This provides culturally adapted mental health assessments. We're talking about PHQ-9, depression screening, loneliness scales, and wellness uh, assessments, all personalized using AI. Have the GameGPT system. This is our AI powered game generation engine. It can create 11 different therapeutic games on demand, personalized for each user. Third, we have our AI chatbot companion, a 24/7 mental health support system that can have natural conversation, provide guidance, and connect with users with resources. And the fourth is connect with a professional. What this is, we can basically book a session with our college counselors or an external licensed professional to discuss further problems or complications that we may have. So let's just first go with the assessment. Here's our assessment platform. We have three main assessment, each one scientifically validated and culturally adopted for the Indian youth. First, we have the PHQ-9 depression screening. This is the gold standard for depression assessment. But here's the twist. We have made it culturally relevant. Instead of generic questions, our AI personalizes the questions based on the user's age, gender, and status. So let me just start a PHQ-9 assessment to show you the AI personalization in action. So let's just say I'm 18-year-old male and I'm a student. I can pick from all of these categories and then I can begin my assessment. So look at the first question. Feeling depressed, down, irritable or hopeless. Do you see what happened? The AI took the basic PHQ-9 question and added culturally relevant examples, feeling sad after exams, losing motivation for daily activities. These are examples that an Indian college student may resonate with. If I were a 16-year-old school student, the examples would have been different. If I were a 25-year-old professional, have been different again. The AI adapts to the languages and examples to make the assessment more relatable. So right now I'll just answer them. Yes. So the last question I answered was about self harm. So given that I scored for that question highly, it gave me output that I need to check myself in or talk to or and get professional help. And here are the so now it basically gives me a summary and recommendations on what I should do next. So giving me a clear path. Let me start by showing you what I think is our most impressive feature, the AI powered game generation system. This is where the magic happens. Here we are in the Game GPT interface. Now, I want to generate a game right now live to show you how this works. Now, I'm going to type create a stress management quiz for college students dealing with exam anxiety. Watch what happens when I click generate. Right now, our AI is analyzing the request. It's determining the best game type, creating culturally relevant content, and personalizing everything for college students. This is happening real time using Google's Gemini. So, right now, it generated this game. We can see all of the game generation part happening in the backend as well. So, exam, which of the following is not a common symptom of exam anxiety? So obviously the second answer, and it tells you why your answer was correct. And I'll just get the next one wrong. Deep breathing exercises can help anxiety by activating the parasympathetic nervous system. So obviously I purposefully made this answer wrong, and it gave me the explanation why it was And there it is. In about 30 seconds, we have created a complete playable game. Look at this. It's created a multiple choice quiz specifically about exam stress management with questions that are relevant to Indian college students. But here's what's really impressive. Our system can generate 11 different game types. Let me show you what's possible. If I click on anxiety adventure, this is a fun little game that we have generated. Let's just say that we get into a common situation a lot. Like, let's just say alone at a party. So all of us may face this situation somewhere in life, and the anxiety adventure is a fun little game that we have come up with. It's now generating in the context. So right here we have our freshly created game. So we start off with a base level of anxiety, scenarios, and everything. And it is giving me a scenario, and I am now going to have to pick to reduce my anxiety level. So it's given me a situation. You've arrived at the party, the music is loud, and you don't know many people. Your heart is racing. What would you like to do? So obviously, the appropriate answer would be to find the host and say hello. Picking the right answer decreased my anxiety, and it gave me some points. Uh, so you're talking to someone, but the conversation feels awkward and you're worried what to say next. I would obviously pick the wrong answer now to demonstrate. Obviously, I picked the wrong answer and my anxiety spiked up, and it based on the previous options that I picked, it is currently generating the next scenarios as well. So I can then go and pick the correct options, and then it will give me the updated scenarios as well. So, and then it's keep on going, and I have completed the journey. And it gave me a report and score as well. So, wellness reflection and everything. So, this was the Games GPT feature that we have developed. The third feature that we're going to be taking a look at is our AI guidance system. This is where users can get 24/7 mental health support through normal conversations. Here's our chat interface. Look at the suggested conversation starters. We have made it easy for users to begin meaningful conversations. How are you feeling today? I'd like to start a behavioral assessment and all. Let me get a conversation started and show you how this works. So I have posted up a message about me feeling stressed and not being able to focus on my exams. So it's asking me about why I am feeling stressed and in a conversational manner. So this is the model that we have fine tuned on solution based therapy. So solution based therapy means that the model is trying to give you actively trying to push you towards finding solutions to your problems and understanding it in a manner that humans can put themselves in. So if I respond exam and scoring well, so if I give it more context on why I'm feeling the emotions that I am, it will then start to build a profile and then help me maintain or understand my situation and give me coping strategies, like what are some strategies that I have tried and all that. So this is the way we can discuss with the AI. And this system is available 24/7, completely anonymous, and is designed to give immediate support when the users need it the most. It's like having a trained mental health professional available at any time, but in a format that is more accessible and non intimidating. Anyone can log in and just talk about how they're feeling. This is safe and confidential and non judgmental as well. No stigma attached. The fourth one is connect with a professional. Connect with a professional, in that we can book a confidential session with our college counselors or external licensed therapists. Now I'll navigate to the admin panel that we have built. This is the admin panel where students who have taken assessments, students who have generated reports and are willing to share those reports, this is where they'll come up in and will share, and this will be accessible only to the authorized people to maintain data privacy and all. I want to address something crucial: privacy and security. In mental health, trust is everything. MindFulU is built with privacy first principles. Users can engage completely anonymously if they choose. We don't collect unnecessary personal data and everything is encrypted. For users who don't provide information, they maintain a complete control over the data. They can delete any information at any time, and we're transparent about what is used. The platform is designed to meet professional standards for mental health applications with security measures that protect both the users and. What makes Mindful You different from everything else in mental health space? First, our AI powered personalization is unmatched. Games and assessment adapt in real time based on user demographics, cultural context, and the individual's need. This isn't a one size fits all, it's truly personalized. Second, our gamified approach makes our mental wellness engaging and fun. We are not asking people to fill out boring questionnaires. We're creating interactive experiences that people actually want to use. Third, our cultural adaptation is what makes us special towards Indian youth. We understand the unique challenges, contexts, and needs of our target population. Fourth, we're building a comprehensive ecosystem, not just individual tools. Everything works together seamlessly to provide a complete mental wellness support. And finally, our technology is cutting edge but accessible. We're using the latest AI while maintaining a user experience that anyone can use. Today, I've shown you a platform that can generate games in seconds, provides culturally adapted assignments, and offer 24/7 AI support, all while maintaining the highest standards of privacy and security. But this is just the beginning. We're ready to scale, ready to transform how mental health support is delivered. Thank you for your time today. The future of mental wellness is here, and it's called Mindful You.